have you
Welcome to how to install. These have been a while after making a last video. So today I am going to show you installing the NOX player on a Windows platform. Here you can see that I have the Windows 7 and 32-bit operating system. So everyone wants to play the Android games, but some of people don't have the enough memory space or RAM to play the games, and nowadays the game becoming larger and larger, like 1 GB or 1.5 GB. So it is better to play them on a PC, and the advantage is you can also use mouse. Yes, you can use mouse like FPS games on the PC. So we are first see how to install the NOX player on Windows. So you can get the NOX player on the official website of NOX player, that is www.bignox. So here we will get all the information about the NOX, how to install it, the current version, Mac version. So on this website you can get all the information about NOX player. Here you can see that it is very advantage to playing on PC instead of phone, and it is compatible. So now you can download just from here. Just click on it and it will download, but I already downloaded it, so I don't download it again. The current version is 6.2.2. So this is the older version and this is the latest version. So I am installing it. So click on here just to check, then click on install. There is the one warning, or the information gives that in case of any problem during internet, please turn off your antivirus. Sometimes the antivirus don't know that the files in the software are not harmful, so they detect them as a harmful and delete them. So if this happen, you not able to install completely. So make sure you have turn off your antivirus if any error occurs, and then try to again install it. So here is the option import backup data. If you already previously have the installed the NOX player and you have data, you can also backup that data. So I don't have any, I have a fresh startup, so I am clicking on start. So this is a NOX window. Here is this is a theme button, this is options, this is pin, this is the system settings, and this is normally minimize, maximum, close. So this is the tutorial. You can go through tutorials. Just I am saying that this is the theme settings, and these are the shortcuts here. So we can just put the mouse on it and you can read I'm clicking. So just put mouse on the shortcut and you can get the names of it, all of them. So here is the full screen option. You can see that it is on Windows, so it shows the tools bar here. So you can click on this icon. This is a full screen, and you will see that all full window is like your phone. So to exit the from full screen, for exiting from the full screen, you have to just click a escape key. So here also some option. This is a shake button. This is a keyboard control. You can assign the keyboards touches just by your click of the keyboard button. Just try to how to say it, like I'm let's say click on here and I'm assigning the key A and save it. So whenever I click A, it will click there. I'm not clicking here. So you can see it is here and I am clicking A, so it is open. So this is the advantage of the player, this NOX player, that you can assign the buttons. You can assign the button on the different click. So here I am assigning, say, for tools T, for drag down the notification, say N for notification, and just click on save. You can save different profiles. So you can see I am click on T, it's open T, and I am click on A, it's closed, and this is like normal. So right now I am turning them off. You can remove the controls just by click on it, keyboard control or control +1, and clear and save it. So this is the NOX player. For further setting, this is the lock the mouse emulator, mouse to the emulator. This is lock the mouse to the emulator window. What means if you click on this and it is enabled, then you can see the mouse pointer cannot go out of the NOX window, not even on toolbar, and if it is disabled, you can see it can go anywhere. This is the volume up, volume down, and you can open multiple instances of a NOX player just by clicking it. I'm not showing it right now. And NOX player allows you to install the APK directly from your PC. Means the file explorer you use in NOX player is different, and the file explorer in Windows is different, but you can install the APKs from Windows File Explorer to the File Explorer or the in phone. So just click here and it will show. You have to just drag or select the APK file. It is used to take screenshot. These are rotate for vertical screen and horizontal screen. This is the secondary menu. This is the 2-finger control. You can also trigger them by middle mouse button. So record the videos for gameplay or some tutorial. Just click on this video recorder button and you can record the videos also. And here you have the 3 buttons that normally each smartphone have: the back, home button, and recent tab. This works same as the smartphone because it is a smartphone emulator. This window is for Play Store. for latest games you have to know about. That's it. And you can also edit the settings in the NOX player. Like here I clicked on settings tab. This is all thing you can change. Take care when you're changing it, because it can also cost to your PC, because it uses the RAM and the CPU cores from processing on your PC. So you uh, I prefer you do not use any other application on PC while you playing the NOX player for better performance. So the memory is only used by NOX player, so it's not divided between the processes. So here some options: check for update, soft keyboards. Then here for the high graphics game, you have to select the 2 core CPU and the 248 MB, that means 2 GB memory, and you can select any mode or window size according to your choice. Then it is a graphics rendering. I found that this compatible mode is not good for PUBG game, so you have to click on speed directs for the game PUBG. But you can check this out, that it is compatible mode is compatible for your PUBG game in your PC, because each PC has different configuration. Then your properties, here you can select the model which you have, that means the GUI of the phone model. Then here the interface, these are toolbox, and you can add and remove the toolbox buttons from here. Then virtual buttons on right, here you can see the buttons on right. You also can click on this and remove this, then buttons will now you can see the buttons on the bottom. So this will be same as the smartphone you use. The buttons are not showing up here, they are showing up here, the bottom of the NOX player. Yeah, here starting the phone. So you can see that this button are here, and this button are hide behind this button. So now you can just see like it is a smartphone. It looks good. So you can see this, you can access them as a smartphone. You can log in Google account, and then you can use Play Store to install game. Currently I don't add any account to this. So you can see the one important feature, not a feature but important thing, I just forgot about it, that you can also set the root preference. Here is a root preference, and you can set it on and save setting. So I am restarting now. So you will also get some help here, some tips. Now I set the root preference, so 1 minute. So I set the root preference in the setting, you can check. Now I can access my PC's files from the NOX player. So just click on this, the my computer, control +3, and you can get the APK file, image file, or any file from the PC. Just you have to be sure that this path, you have to save your PC's file on this path. So click on open PC folder. It will open the folder where I already saved the data, that PUBG and Free Fire game. Now you can see open NOX player folder. So here you get the all the same data here, the Free Fire game and the PUBG. So it is easy that you don't have to download it. You can get from, because it is a IDM and torrent. It is easy to use on the Windows platform, so you can download games from them and then just open the NOX player, and you don't need to share them or do anything different. Just you have to put in the Windows Explorer and open it from the NOX. So that's it. If you like the video, please click on like and comment if you have any doubt about it or any queries. We will try to resolve it. And thanks for watching. We think that will helpful for you for gaming and any other Android usage. So thanks for watching.
I have you.